So this is our second time at Wildwind. We came back because we have a son who loves sailing, can't get enough of it, wants to be on the water all day, and a daughter who doesn't. So the kids club meant that she had the best time paddleboarding, sailing, swimming, cycling, just messing around on boats, but kind of not really with a sailing theme. So she had the best time, he had the best time sailing, and we could do all the water sports we wanted while they were entertained.
Great. Perfect. So yeah, as a family, sometimes it's really hard to find something that everybody wants to do. So this is perfect here. So for the kids club, which then gives the adults time to do what we want to do. They have lots of fun. We can go sailing on boats, we can go winging, we can go windsurfing, we can do all the things that we love to do. And as a family, everybody has a good holiday.
Just the perfect family holiday.
So yeah, thank you.
Thank you.